Upon opening the box that contains the fitness frame, you will find a bag containing 4 wing nut assemblies and 2 lanyards, the assembly instructions, the operating instructions, 4 individual telescoping legs with rubber feet, the bar, and a carry bag. Set the bar in front of you. Look to see if you have the engraved name, The Fitness Frame, in the correct direction, with 2 of the legs on your right-hand side and 2 legs on your left-hand side. All legs with the stainless steel clamp at the bar. On first assembly, look at the stainless steel pipe 2 inches below the top clamp for the engraved numbers. Place the stainless steel carriage bolt in the top clamp from behind, sticking out towards you, and place the black wing nut on the carriage bolt only tight enough to engage the threads. When assembled properly, the black wing nut is on the same side as the engraved numbers, and you will always know which side of the leg has the height adjustment markers. With all wing nut assemblies loose, slide 2 of the leg assemblies at the clamp onto the bar from the right and 2 on the bar from the left, making sure both outside legs are all the way on the bar. The bar must be visible at both ends if assembled properly, each end through 2 bar clamps. Tighten the 2 outside leg wing nuts enough that you can no longer pull off the outside leg. Tighten the 2 inside leg wing nuts only finger tight. The numbered stainless tube portion of the leg has 1 hole drilled at the bottom. It is important that the hitch pin goes through this hole upon assembly. Once all 4 hitch pins are installed, while standing in between the legs, grasp the bar and lift up while planting the feet into the ground. Separate the 2 forward legs, could be the 2 inside legs or the 2 outside legs, depending on hitch pin location. Pull those 2 legs forward until the lanyard is fully extended and fully tightened on all 4 wing nuts. When setting up and during use of the fitness frame, you should periodically check and adjust the fitness frame to the fully open position with the lanyards taut, legs fully on the bar, and retighten the wing nut. The engraved numbers on the stainless steel tubes act as a reference point in adjusting the height of the fitness frame. If you're on a level surface, then all numbers should be the same, meaning the hitch pin at the end of the lanyard will be in the same hole on each leg. If the surface slopes, such as the bottom of a pool, you should adjust each individual leg so the top bar is level to the horizon and front to back. An easy way to check this in water. The water surface will hit each of the 4 legs at the same number on the leg, even though the hitch pins might be in different holes. Make sure the lanyard is straight and not wrapped around a leg. Always check that the fitness frame looks level. If not, recheck hitch pin locations and lanyard or do not proceed. Check that the leg will not slide on the bar in any direction or do not proceed. Tightening all 4 top bar clamps the first few times will take additional force and will lessen with each assembly. The loaded configuration of the clamp and the heavy stainless steel material assures the clamps will always be easy to slip on and off the bar and will stay on the bar when tightened properly. Lanyards should be installed in a straight line, hitch pin to hitch pin, without wrapping around the leg. The lanyard primary purpose is to keep the legs an equal distance apart and as an easy visual tool. The lanyard should always be taut. Any force applied to the fitness frame other than the downward force will cause movement of the legs from that perfectly separated location. Also, keep in mind both directions. You are with minimal force pulling each leg apart from the other 3. To disassemble, loosen the wing nut on the 2 inside legs and lay the fitness frame down with the wing nuts facing up. Loosen the wing nuts. Remove the 2 lanyards and collapse the legs and remove them from the bar. Once the leg is disassembled, you do not need to remove the wing nut assembly again. Just make sure when disassembled, wing nut is left tight enough that it does not fall off. Place the 2 lanyards in the largest, very center opening in the inside of the carry bag. Take one of the legs, fully assembled with the wing nut on and snug. Insert wing nut end first in the same opening, largest, very center opening in the inside of the carry bag. Insert the next 3 legs, wing nut up and snug, into its own sleeve inside the bag, rubber foot first. Last, insert the bar in its own sleeve. Done properly, there will be material between each part. Secure the assembly instructions and the operating instructions in a safe place for future reference. Roll the bag fully closed and pull the drawstring tight.